Hey guys, it's Mark from Team How To. Our team has scoured the web to bring you the latest and most relevant content. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.
Alright guys, this is Evan with Team How To. This is going to be a super easy video today, just showing you how to upload a thumbnail. So if you've already created your video, you're just going to go into your YouTube channel videos, come down to whatever video you want to add the thumbnail to, and just go to details. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the thumbnail right here. This is the one that I have currently on the video. It'll give you options. You can pick a thumbnail if you want, or you can upload one that you've made. So I can change this to and then once you select the thumbnail that you want, you just come up here and click save. And as you can see, it updated the thumbnail. So this would be the thumbnail showing currently on that video. Super simple, and don't forget to check out the video posted previously on how to create a thumbnail for free. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.